Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are in the 5th Friday of month of Aadi. This month of Aadi has 5 Fridays, and so I have wrapping up my month of Aadi with the payasams that I have made from the 1st Friday, 2nd Friday, 3rd Friday, 4th Friday, and now we are in the 5th Friday. So I hope you have watched all my recipes and enjoying it well. So please just see how this Makhana Payasam is going to be done. And I didn't tell you that today's Payasam is Makhana Payasam. So let us see how the Payasam is to be done step by step. Basically, it's almost all the Payasams are the same, but this is a little bit different, and we'll see how the Payasam is being done. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. Let's go. Our first step to make this payasam is to roast the nuts and raisins. So we will use 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. It's teaspoons. And as the ghee has melted, now we can add 2 teaspoons of cashew nuts. And we saute them until the cashew nut changes its color. And now we can see the color has already started to change in the cashews, and this is the time we can add 2 teaspoons of raisins, and we can continue sauteing them until the raisin puffs up like a balloon. And my friends, and you can see now the basin stew has already puffed up, and now we can put this in the back burner, and do not leave them on the stove but transfer them into a small container right away. Our second step is to melt the sugar. So we begin with 1/8 cup of water. And now we will add 1/4 cup of jaggery and also 1/8 cup of sugar, and also followed by a pinch of salt with a clean spoon, and we can mix it up well and let the sugar melt until it bubbles, and then we can remove it. To make the process faster, we will cover this as our sugar is melting, and now it is also melted well, and we can remove this and put it in the back burner. And now we will do the third part, or the third step, which is roasting the makhana or the pool makhana or the lotus seeds, and we will roast them until for a few minutes, and then we will add the next ingredient. And dear viewers, and I also use this bowl, it's approximately about 3/4 cup of makhana that fitted this bowl, and you can use that amount, about 3/4 cup, about 2/3 to 3/4 cup. So that would be fine, because this I'm doing a small quantity, and if I'm doing a big quantity, and you can adjust accordingly. So we will roast this now until the makhana shrinks or change color a little bit. Then after that we will add the next ingredient. And also in this moment you can add ghee, but I'm not adding ghee now, I'll be adding later. And just to let you know, this pool makhana contains a lot of health benefits. I will be speaking to you about the health benefits another day, but meanwhile you can always Google and check what are the health benefits that this lotus seed contain, or in Indian it's called pool makhana. And as you can see, the color has changed, and it has already removed the moisture from the pool makhana, and so now we can add the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is a cup of water, and we need to cook this pool makhana until it boils, and we'll bring the water to a boil. For that I'll add a little bit of salt, just a pinch, and then mix it up, and with that we can also add a teaspoon of ghee. As you can see, the makhana has shrinked a little bit, and this is a perfect indication. It will be softened also, and at this point we can also add 1 cup of fresh milk, which is boiled and cooled. So 1 cup of fresh milk, and we will close it, and we will reduce the flame so that it doesn't overboil and overpour out. As our payasam is already starting to boil, and now we will keep it outside and to let the milk thicken, and if there's some malai on the side, just scrape it to the from the corner to the center, and we will let the milk boil. As our payasam is boiling, so now we can add a tiny piece of Pachai Karpuram or the cooking camphor. So all you need to do is crush it down as usual, because they are in chunks, so we need to crush it down and just add them into the payasam and also give it a quick mix. And also we can add the cardamom powder, which is a half teaspoon. And so give it a quick mix. Just make sure that the cardamom powder mix it up well. I've added the cardamom powder, and now we will turn off the stove and we will add the sugar. So we have added the sugar as well. I always use the strainer because jaggery may contain some dirt, so this will remove all the impurity from the jaggery, the melted jaggery. As we have added the jaggery now, and also the stove is turned off, so now we can move this and put it in the back burner, and so this will help for the flavors to absorb, especially the makhana will absorb all the flavors, and we will put it in the back burner. So now we will add 1 teaspoon of rose water, and also with a clean spoon just mix it up. And now we will see the serving method. With this, now we will add a pinch of dried rose petal. I always love rose petals on my payasam. It just brings a beautiful taste and flavor. And also the roasted cashew nuts, just a teaspoon. We don't need much. And there we go. Our payasam is ready, and you can also add any kind of nuts in it also, and also like saffron also. This is your personal choice. So today I'm keeping it very simple, and this is my payasam, which is the Makhana payasam. So my fellow viewers and also my friends, we have come to the end part of our last payasam for the month of Aadi. So this month of Aadi we have already done 5 payasams, which includes today. So I hope everyone has made different kind of payasam in your home every Friday during the month of Aadi. And this is my Makhana payasam. So I hope you have enjoyed, and if you like the channel, please do click like, share and subscribe. And and if you really enjoy my videos, please do so, and I really hope that you will continue to join me. And for those who are with me, thank you very much. And for those who are visiting my channel the first time, welcome aboard. And if you like, please do follow me in all my recipes. And till now I have done so much of videos. Please continue to see all my videos and check it out. If you like it, follow it and try it out yourself. And I wish everyone a happy month of Aadi, and also a very joyous celebrations that we have done throughout the month. And what else am I got to say? So I hope you will come back again and we will meet each other in my next recipe. So with that, I do not know what am I going to cook the next, but I'm coming up with something new. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, ciao, and enjoy yourself. Happy cooking and happy trying. Bye bye.